This isn't just used oil, it's your engine's gritty life story. Fresh engine oil acts like liquid armor against damaging metal friction. This dirty filter traps the abrasive particles threatening your engine's life. A new filter ensures clean oil flow, critical engine component protection. Better oil filters trap smaller damaging particles for much longer protection. Filter bypass valve prevents oil starvation when the filter fully clogs.
Special oil additives build sacrificial shields preventing disastrous metal-on-metal contact. Microscopic friction modifiers like moly-plate surfaces, boosting your engine's efficiency. Your oil's alkaline reserve, TBN, fights corrosive acids from the combustion. Dispersant oil additives wrap up soot, preventing harmful sludge from forming. Special anti-foam agents stop oil from turning into useless, frothy bubbles. Modern engine oils contain special agents keeping seals pliable, preventing leaks. Synthetic oil's uniform engineered structure resists intense breakdown much better.
But USA's synthetic label doesn't always mean chemically engineered oil.
BOM, wrong oil chemistry risks, LSPI, catastrophic engine self-destruction events. That tiny SP rating actually means tested protection against these killers. Ethanol fuel blends unfortunately can pull water into your engine oil. Shear Stability Index measures the oil's true resistance to viscosity breakdown. Lower NOAC volatility testing means less valuable oil burns off inside. Low volatility oil resists vaporizing, reducing unwanted oil consumption very significantly. High temp, high shear viscosity measures crucial oil film strength protection. Better cold flow, 0W versus 10W, crucially reduces damaging startup wear. Pour 0.2% additives, keep oil flowing in freezing Arctic temperatures. Used oil analysis predicts costly engine failure before it actually happens. Your car's oil life monitor really just guesses, it doesn't test. Excessive city idling surprisingly destroys oil faster than long highway miles. Special break-in oil formulations actually help new engine parts properly seat. Optional oil coolers help maintain optimal temperature under heavy engine load. Modern re-refined engine oil can meet the same strict specs virgin. Understanding oil's hidden secrets really empowers you to protect your investment. Regular oil changes with the correct oil are essential engine maintenance. Did this engine oil deep dive reveal secrets? Like and subscribe.